Hey folks, I've been listening to quite a bit of Jimi Hendrix music lately and just reflecting back on the 60s and things I was doing and good times and some not so good times. But one of the things that always stuck in my mind that Jimmy said was, when the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Love rises like the dawn, soft yet unstoppable, unfolding across the sky of hearts, melting walls built by fear. The hunger for control fades, like shadows erased by morning light. Greed dissolves into generosity, and the clenched fist opens to give. When the heart beats louder than the drum of war, voices find harmony instead of division. Every word becomes a bridge, every glance a hand extended. No throne can outshine compassion. No crown can rival kindness. The measure of greatness is not dominance, it is how gently we hold one another. When love overpowers the thirst for rule, when weapons become relics in forgotten rooms, armies transform into choirs, and the battlefield grows wildflowers. Children laugh without trembling, mothers breathe without fear, and fathers rest with hope in their eyes. Nations kneel before mercy, not might. And in that sacred knowing, the world learns the simple truth that peace is not conquered, it is allowed. It waits within, patient and eternal. The day will come, rising certain, when the power of love fills every corner, when the love of power finally surrenders, and the world will know peace. Love speaks in every language, a universal hymn flowing through time. It erases the scars of conquest. It replaces them with songs of unity. Power seeks to divide and claim, but love gathers and restores. Power burns with restless hunger. Love nourishes with endless flame. When the power builds, towers crumble. Love plants seeds that endure where power silences voices. Love listens and makes them whole. Peace is not a treaty signed in haste. It is the breath shared between hearts, the gentle nod of recognition that we belong to each other. And when nations awaken to this wisdom, when leaders bow to empathy, when communities lift one another, the vision of peace becomes real. So let every heart choose love, let every mind soften into care. For when love becomes the guiding power, the world will rise in peace together. And even in the quiet moments alone, the choice for love still matters. For peace begins within the self and expands outward like ripples on water. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.